What's up, guys? So, there's some competition going on here at the Auto Shop Life today. Check it out.
Shut up and sit down.
Alright guys, so let me lay down the ground rules here. We got a friendly little wager here. We're working on a 2006 Hummer H3. Got some brakes on it, belt, got a tune-up on it. And the tune-up, Miss Lauren here, it calls for an hour, but she just said she could get it done in 20 minutes. So I figured let's make a bet. So I told her if she can't get it done in 20 minutes, and if I win, she has to buy me lunch for a week. And she told me if she wins, I gotta shave the beard. Down to stubble, at least. Not baby face, I ain't rocking no baby face, but I gotta shave the beard down to stubble. So, you know me, I gotta set up the battlefield, and we'll get the old time clock ready, get her set up. Obviously, parts gotta be here. We got some ground rules. I try to stay fair. But boy, I'd love me some free lunches for a week. We'll get all the tools set up. We'll get the spark plugs down here, just basic, get in and out. I got to do a belt on it too, but that's not going to count. But I'm going to count every minute. We're going to have everything set up. We'll get you guys out in the shop, have everything set up with the timer, and we'll see if she can do this in 20 minutes. 5 spark plugs in 20 minutes. So if there's one that's stuck, we're eating good this week, guys. So check with you. Let me get set up. We'll check with you guys as soon as the parts get here. Alright guys, now she's really bragging and saying she's going to be able to get the belt done because we got a belt on it too. She said she's going to slip the belt in there too under the 20 minutes. So 5 spark plugs, a belt. I mean, I know some of you guys out there probably think you can do it, whatever, but this girl impresses me every day and might as well make a bet. I don't really want to shave the beard, but I definitely want free lunches, and usually me or Highline buys the lunches anyway, so it'll be a nice, it's like basically getting paid there, so get paid for doing the job and free lunches. So let's get set up. Some of the tools we got out already, 10 millimeter, pull the cover off, got the spark plug socket there. We'll probably get a few other things, maybe the belt tool, but we got to make sure all the parts are here right. I don't want no excuses. Grab the tripod. Let's do this. All right, guys, she's getting ready, all hyped up. We're gonna set a timer for 20 minutes. Start it now. Time lapse through it. There we go. I got some other stuff to do, so we're gonna check back with her in hopefully a half hour and she's not done. All right, guys, looks like she's in the home stretch. Still 5 minutes to spare. I don't know. We're praying for a miracle here. All right, well, that's that. She still had about 5 minutes to spare. It looks like she knocked this out in 15 minutes with a belt. I don't know, guys. Should we check torque on everything? Make sure she put all the spark plugs in? Maybe I should use the excuse I helped her with a swivel. I brought her a swivel, so that should shave off 5 minutes. I even drew her a little belt diagram picture. Belt looks good. Nice and tight. I guess we'll know when we'll start it up. All right, guys. So I guess that's that. She obviously, you could clearly see, she obviously got it done within 15 minutes. You know, I edited it through there, obviously, to respect your guys' time and all that stuff. But job well done. I guess I got to work the rest of the day knowing that I'm going to lose the beard. This thing was just growing out all burly and nasty, but whatever. So hopefully it starts getting warm out soon. My face ain't going to be so warm tomorrow, but she's gone. We'll catch you back at the house. We'll shave, we'll get the quick shave. Maybe could I do a 1?
Yeah.
All right, a 1. We're going to take it down to a 1, so we'll catch you guys back at the house. I got to work the rest of the day knowing that today's the last work day with the beard. So we're back home in the bathroom. Actually, didn't know how the lighting is here. It's pretty good lighting, actually. Should start filming in here more often. Look at that. But just got home from work. She let me eat one last meal with the old beard, but we're getting ready to do the deed. I'm a man of my word. A bet's a bet, and we got to do what we got to do. You want to give the beard one last kiss? So I told her get. I don't know what's behind this thing. So get animal control on the line. We might have some birds flying around here, but I got the clippers all set up. She said we could do a 1. Luckily, I found a 1 in there, and we're gonna get the shaving. Give her the camera. Ready?
Yeah. I guess so.
Is it gonna hurt?
I don't know. It's gonna hurt me.
There's nerves connected to each one of my fingers. So it's a part of me.
Here we go.
See if it doesn't cut it, then it's indestructible. Oh man.
Wow.
Sometimes you're like supposed to take it down. Look at that.
Yeah, wow.
It's so strong it doesn't even want to cut it. Ah. Is there a whole bowl that falls out of there? There's like a whole bowl that falls out. Like, hey, come on, man. I was living in there. Ah.
Probably find some food in there too.
Yeah.
Some snacks.
Pizza from yesterday.
Oh wow. I see a cheek.
Yeah, there's a chin under here somewhere. We're getting it done. Should I leave it like this, guys? Beard?
No beard.
Beard? So there is a chin right there.
Wow.
So, all right, I'm gonna wrap this up. We'll get back with you guys in a minute. All right, guys. This is it. My skin is on fire, but got it all done. I still know how to shave. I look like 20 years younger, but like I said, a bet's a bet. So, gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I feel like now? You know when a crab molts its shell and they get, you know, that vulnerable feeling for a day or two? That's how I feel now, but Didn't turn out too bad. It actually feels relieved. I found pieces of a brake job in there from today, so it's nice to air it out every once in a while. So my wife actually loves the beard. It's just, you know, it's springtime's coming. Plus, it's gonna be, it'll be back to normal in a month or two anyway. So, but that's it. I'm gonna get ready to edit this stuff for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the new intro, the shorter intro. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Hit up TOOLHEADZ Crate, get your crate service for the box service we got. Catch you guys in the next one. Signing out.